Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Powerbeats Pro in Fragment Design Black. Now you can pick these up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on these, $250. Alright, so let's go through the features real quick. Now these are inspired by designer Hiroshi Fujiwara, who's basically a minimalist. Now if you want to learn more about him, just Google it. As far as the actual specs, you got Class 1 Bluetooth, the Apple H1 chipset, high performance sound, adjustable ear hooks, enhanced call quality, volume and track controls, and you get 9 hours battery on a single charge with an additional 24 hours using the charging case. Now you also got fast charge, so 5 minutes of charge will give you 1.5 hours worth of playtime. So basically, the specs are exactly the same as the original Powerbeats Pro. Now on the main question everybody's gonna ask, why would you buy these for $250 instead of buying the regular Powerbeats Pro for $200? And the answer is, I don't know. All right, maybe you want to be different and unique. Maybe you want to support Hiroshi Fujiwara. Either way, I don't tell you how to spend your money. I just show you what you're spending your money on. All right, so now I'm not going to waste your time doing a full review on these because I already did a full review on these. So I'll leave a link for that up in the description. But we'll open them up, see what they look like, and I'll do a little side-by-side comparison and see if they sound any different, which I highly doubt. All right, so let's get right into it. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
Calm down. Okay, here we go. Powerbeats Pro Fragment Design Black. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. Okay, here we go. Right. Fragment Design Black. Now, one thing about Fragment Design, you'll notice their logo is the double lightning bolts. All right, so we should see that everywhere. He's a minimalist, but we should see the lightning bolts everywhere. Okay, so here we go. Okay, nice little sleeve. Got your Beats logo. All right, all black everything so far. I like that. Okay, so now we'll start the comparisons. Here's your original Powerbeats Pro. On the top, you got your Beats logo. But with the Fragment Design, now you got the double lightning bolts. Now, is this worth the extra $50 so far? To me, yes. I like being different and unique. I like custom items, limited edition. I like supporting my favorite designers. You be the judge for yourself. Let's see what else you get in the box. Okay. This is going to be your lightning adapter charging cable. So USB-A to lightning adapter. All right, shoes, inspect that for quality. Let's see what else you get. Now you get your usual books and shit. Now instead of just your regular Beats logo, now you got the Fragment Design logo as a sticker. All right, let me see those. Let's see, usual books and shit, plug them and file them. Anything else? Quick start guide. Get the Beats app, stay up to date. Now one thing about the Beats app, don't really do nothing, but might as well get it anyway. Waste some storage on your phone. And of course you got some different size ear tips. Small, medium, and large. All right, shoes. Inspect those, all right? What you doing? Here we go. Open them up. Now, let's see. When you open up the charging case, let me grab the other one real quick so I can hit y'all with the side-by-side. Shoes, bang, side-by-side. All right, so this is the Fragment Design Powerbeats Pro versus the regular Powerbeats Pro. Basically, everything looks the same. Now, with the Fragment Design, okay, now here's another difference. On the inside, I'm sorry, on the outside, you got the double lightning bolts. Okay, so that's one on that one. And on this side it says Fragment. Now, not the full spelling of the word, F-R-G-M-T, Fragment. Now, for the originals, you just got Beats logos. So really, if you're a minimalist, get the originals. I don't know. All right, here we go. Fragment Designs. Let's throw them back in the case real quick. And leave it just like that. Let's see. Bang, bang. There it is. Okay. Now, of course, you got your LED light on the front. That lets you know they're charging. Drop it in the case. On the back, there's your lightning input. On the bottom, everything is smooth. Matte feel in this case. No fingerprints. This is real nice. Real nice. All right, so it's going to be a quick video. Matter of fact, let me just open these up. Might as well do this in real time. Let's grab a phone. I'll show you how the pairing process works. Boom, look at that. Before my phone even hit the table, hit connect. Just like that. All right, so that's part of the reason why I love these earbuds. Instant connection, Apple H1 chipset, works flawlessly. All right, flawlessly. Now, if you watch my videos and you see my full review for the Powerbeats Pro, you would know that these are my favorite earbuds for the gym. Easily my favorite. They sound amazing. All right, excellent battery life. I love the fast charge. All right, I never got to bring these in the house. So if I leave these in my car and I'm ready to go to the gym and I get there and they're completely dead, I charge them up for 10 minutes and that's going to guarantee me a full workout. But the best thing about these is the ear hooks. Okay, now you also got volume controls on each earbud, multifunctional buttons, so you got play and pause, skip and reverse tracks, answer and end phone calls, and you can also activate your voice assistant. But my favorite thing about these earbuds are the hooks. Now, if anybody that worked out with me in the gym, y'all know at the end of my workout, I like to do 100 backflips. These are one of the only sets of earbuds that I can do 100 backflips in, and they're not going to move at all. Now, on a side note, the UE Fits, I'm loving those too, but these sound a little bit better than the UE Fits. All right, the UE Fits, they're not going to fall out your ears either, but I prefer the hooks. I love the actual clicky buttons. All right, so no swipe controls when your hands are sweaty. You don't have to worry about missing the swipe. Nice little clicky buttons. Okay? Now, real quick, I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to connect both of these to 2 different iPhones, test out a couple of songs. I just want to make sure they sound exactly the same. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I just finished doing my regular testing, and just like I thought, these sound exactly the same as the original Powerbeats Pro. So overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, the Powerbeats Pro in Fragment Design Black are a major go. These are still my favorite gym earbuds. They sound great. You're getting mad bass. The call quality is excellent. I love the physical touch controls. You got 9 hours worth of battery on a single charge with fast charge. So 5 minutes of charge will give you 1.5 hours worth of playtime. You got the Apple H1 chipset for that flawless, smooth connection. And my favorite feature, the ear hooks. All right, these are 100 backflip certified. These are not going to fall out of your ears. So, should you spend the extra $50 and get the Fragment Design Edition? Like I said, if you like being different and unique, all right, you like looking different from everybody else, you like to support your favorite designers, you want the double lightning bolt sticker, spend the extra $50. If not, just buy the originals for $200. They sound exactly the same. Anyway, Powerbeats Pro Fragment Design Black. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat buds allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. # salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock wanted to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Soundcore Liberty Ear 2 Pro.